Hello Python programmers. So this is the first video of our Twitter automation project series, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can create a Python program which will extract the trending hashtag from your selected area and also the number of tweets done from that specific hashtag. So first of all, let's see that what is the system requirement for this project. So you need to install one external project first, which is tweepy. So just write pip install tweepy, press enter, and this package will be installed for you. For me, this is already installed, so all requirements are satisfied. Now what you need to do is you need to go to twitter.com. So let me open the browser and go to Twitter. Now I don't use Twitter that much, so my Twitter feed is almost empty. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to apps.twitter. So apps.twitter, and I have created this new account so that I can show you that how to create the app from the starting. Like, this is the screen that you will also see when you start this program, or you'll start this project. Okay, so click on this create an app. Okay, apply, and you'll land up to this page. So we are a hobbyist and building tool for Twitter automation. These are the questions that Twitter will ask you. Accept this and just write your details here. And Twitter API also asks you a short message that what are your plans about this API, why are you applying for this API. So let's write a short description. Okay, so this is a short message that I want to write. Okay, so we have some more options here that I'm gonna untick. So yeah, we are gonna untick this, and yeah, so let's move on. And we have this agreement, which we always agree. Where is the agreement thing? Just a second. Okay, yeah, click on this, submit the application, and this is the time for verification. Okay, so after confirming your email ID, you will land up to page like this. What you need to do is you will your home page will look somewhat like this if you haven't created any project. So click on create project and give a project name, let's say test. Okay, and use case, it's for teaching, I guess. You can select teaching. Again, a description, so let's write a description. Okay, so app name, let's say I know Python. Click complete. Okay, so this name is already taken because I have created this one. So I know Python 1. Okay, so after you clicked on the next button, you will land to a page where you will be having your API key and all the keys, right? So what you're gonna do is click on this dashboard button and click on this app setting. This app, your I know Python 1 for me, but for you it will be the name of your app. Click on this setting button and then click on this keys and tokens option. Here you will find your 4 important keys. First is the access token, then we have access token secret, then we have API key, then we have API key secret. Write these 4 values in anywhere you want, in the notepad, in your phone, anywhere you want, because we're gonna need those 4 values or 4 keys for our project. Okay, so with these things being done, let's go on to our editor so that we can start writing our code. Okay, so now we are into our editor. So the first thing that we'll do is we'll import the tweepy library. Okay, so now what we'll do is we'll create those four variables: access token secret, API key, and API key secret, and write the values in them. Okay, so I'm leaving these values empty because I don't want to show my API keys, my secret keys, but you have to fill in these values here. Okay, then what we're gonna do is we're gonna authenticate our keys. Okay. Okay, so brilliant. So here you can see that we are first of all creating this auth variable, and then we are providing the API key and API secret key. Okay, so first of all, we are verifying the API key, and then we are setting the token with our access token and access token secret. So this is the authentication process. Now let's create the API variable, which will finally ask the Twitter API to authenticate. Okay. Okay. So the authentication part is done. Now let's save this and let me write the authentication keys. So I'm leaving some spaces and then writing my keys here. Okay. Okay. So let me save this and let's print our API key. Okay, so we are getting an error, probably a keyword. Okay, has no attribute as q auth handler. Okay, so typo mistake most probably. Okay, so it took me some time to find out what the mistake was. Actually, it was not q, it was o here. So o auth handler is what the keyword name is. Okay, so let me save this and let's run. So here we can see we are getting the API object. Okay, so our program is running fine. Okay, so now let's create the variable in which we'll store the where on earth ID of that specific location. Now you must be thinking that what is this where on earth ID? Now this is a specific ID provided by Yahoo GeoEarth for specific area. Now how you can find it? So just go to this website. I'll provide the link for this website and then write the location here. Okay, so just click on WOID of countries and then in keywords write India here. And here you can see for India the WOID is this. Okay, so let me remove this from here and let me write the WOID of India, WOIED. So where on earth ID. Okay, so it is 23424848. Okay, so perfect. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna use the API trend place class of this tweepy library to find the trend of that specific area. Okay, so here you can see that we have used the trends place class of this tweepy library to find out the trending topics of that specific area. Okay, and the parameter here is the WU ID of that specific area. Okay, then what we'll do is we'll create a for loop which will iterate on this trend result variable and then return us the hashtags and the number of tweets done from that hashtag. Okay, so let me write first, then I'll explain you that what is happening. Okay, so first of all, let's see that what is happening inside this raw trend result variable. Okay, so let me save this and let's run our program. And okay, so here you can see that this is the trending. So these hashtags are trending and I'm sorry to show you these hashtags. Okay, so here you can see that this is the JSON file which is having a lot of data actually, and we are not interested in all of these data. So like let's take a look at this one. Okay, so this is the name and we have the URL. We don't need the URL. Promoted content, we don't want to know that whether it's promoted or not. We need the tweet volume and the name. We are not interested in the body of this trending JSON, we only need the hashtag and the number of tweets done from that hashtag. Okay, so what we'll do is, let's go back. So first of all, we'll select the 0th or the first dictionary from this JSON file, and then we only want the trending topic, so trends, and let's say we want to select the top 10. Okay, so we want to select the top 10 trending tweets. So what we'll do is, as you can see, we are having a lot of data, but we only want the name and the tweet volume. Okay, so first is the hashtag name, so we'll write name here. It should be a string, and then we'll repeat this same. We'll write, it should be inside the loop, print trend, and the variable name here, the key name here is trend volume, right? Trend volume. Okay, so let's write this here. Okay, so I guess we are fine. Now, just to make sure that everything works perfectly, let's put this inside a try and accept. Okay, so just to make sure, try and accept. Okay, and inside accept, we just write something went wrong. Okay, so let's save this and let's run our project. And here you can see that these are the trending topics of India for now. I won't name them because I don't want to get into all politics and all. Okay, so let's close this. Okay, so yeah, this was the first project of this Twitter automation project series, in which I have shown you that how we can extract the top 10 trending hashtag and the number of tweets done from that specific hashtag using tweepy Python. Let's meet in the next lecture where we'll see that how we can extract the top 100 tweets from a specific hashtag. Okay, so meet you there. Bye bye.